Coughing can come from a postnasal drip. You have this sinus infection that's causing this irritation down in your throat. This can relate to an allergy, a cold, a virus, fungal infection. This dry cough can also relate to a side effect from certain medications. You're going to have to do something to find some alternative to really get rid of your coughing. You can also have GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease, where this coughing is coming from acid that is coming up through this valve on the top of your stomach, coming all the way up through here. And the solution is not to take another antacid. It's just that the valve is not closing, and then this acid is regurgitating up. But to fix the valve, there's several ways to do that.